We appreciate your interest in today's Meditation Life Skills podcast. We're sincerely grateful for your support.
Begin by sitting in a comfortable position, in a quiet place where you will not be interrupted. Take a moment to adjust your spine and your sit bones, bringing your body into a tall, proud position, letting your shoulders roll back, opening up your heart, and placing your palms in your lap, facing upwards. Once you are comfortable, gently close your eyes and take a long, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your stomach expand, your chest expand, and hold your breath at the top. When you're ready, exhale with a long, audible sigh. And at the end of that breath, breathe in deeply one more time, holding it at the top. And when you're ready, letting it all go with a sigh. At the end of this breath, just return to regular pace breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth throughout the course of this meditation. Let all of your awareness be on this present moment and your breath. Anytime a thought about your day emerges, it's perfectly okay. Do not judge yourself or get hung up on the thought. Instead, just return your awareness to your breath. In your breath lies the deepest wisdom of your soul. You can drop in to the moment, into your wisdom, letting go of everything that no longer serves. After a long day, it's time to return to your inner sanctuary, bringing all of your awareness into your heart center, the space in the center of your chest and a couple inches inwards. Let your breath be soft and easy as you focus in on this space. Let yourself surrender to your heart, to this present moment. In this moment lies unending love, compassion, wisdom. As you let go of the tensions of the day, you drop into your heart, into this present moment, realigning and preparing yourself for a pleasant evening, letting go, centering in, and from this space of feeling peace and centeredness, let yourself bring to mind a word, thought, idea, or emotion that you desire to be your intention for this evening. Let yourself breathe into how it feels and express gratitude in your heart for this intention being true, welcoming it in. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale with force from your mouth as you roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, Open your eyes to the room around you.